to my channel. Let's get right into the sliding socks workout. Now, I'm gonna classify this as a Get Strong challenge. So that means that I want you to try the exercise patterns that I came up with and see if you can make your own variations. Our first pattern is gonna be a knee hike, I guess I want to call it. Really, these movements are just made up and they don't officially have names, so please bear with me. I just wanted to make this video to remind you that sometimes your workouts can just be fun. Our second movement will go into more of a pike slide. Just be creative and see what you can come up with. And that's exactly what I did with this video. Our third pattern is going to work out our hamstrings. This is a hamstring sliding curl. The beauty about this video is that all of these movements can be done at your own home in a pair of cushiony wool socks. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you're interested in learning more ways to incorporate exercise into your life. Now let's get back to it. Now we're going to get a little more complex with the patterns. With this movement, I intended to work my straight arm strength. I'm sliding from left to right. The sliding sock workout. Who would have thought? This next pattern I've seen done by breakdancers, martial artists. It's actually really fun. Give it a try. Man, I'm an idiot. I almost hit the wood stove. Oh boy. I should have put the gate back up. And this is where I start to get really wacky. Now, I have no idea what to call this movement as well. It's some sort of leg slidey, push yourself around on the ground with your socks exercise. You can see how it progresses in some weird way. And now I started my spinning movements. Obviously, when you're in a pair of socks, you gotta try to twirl. Now I'll start with a roll into that spinny twirl movement. So as you can see, these movements truly did progress as they went along, and I feel that they got harder and harder as they went. This definitely was a workout. I was tired, I was out of breath, I was sweating. Also, there is an Amazon affiliate link to the yoga mat that I'm using in this YouTube video. That's a great way to help support my channel if you're looking to purchase a yoga mat, so make sure you check out the description. I hope you guys enjoyed this sliding socks workout. Remember, this is part of the Get Strong challenge, so I want to see if you can perform these patterns and let me know different variations that you come up with in the comments down below. And now I want you to watch the videos that are on the screen right now to learn more ways that you can incorporate exercise into your everyday life. Be kind to one another and move well. Peace.